Hi there, it's Pam here and welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is one of the simplest you can make at home, yet simply delicious. ปีกไก่ทอดน้ำปลา or fish sauce fried chicken wings. Let's get started. These are the ingredients. Yes, that's all. First, a half kilogram of chicken wings. I'm using both flats and drumettes because I bought a pack of the whole wings. If you want to use only the flats, go for it. Clean with water thoroughly and rinse nicely. Fish sauce, sugar, tempura flour. If you don't have tempura flour, don't worry. You can use rice flour, cornstarch, or potato starch instead. Black or white pepper, whatever you like. To speed up the marinade time and help the wings to absorb all the flavors better, use a fork to poke them all over, so we get some taste inside too, not just coating on the outside. One and a half tablespoon fish sauce. A half teaspoon sugar to smooth the taste, not to sweeten them. Pepper as you like. You can even go as simple as just fish sauce alone and leave out the pepper if you want. It's homemade. Go for what you like. Then we're gonna massage the chicken wings until they absorb the sauce. Then 3 tablespoons of tempura flour. Mix them up. Then leave them marinate for about half an hour. A little more tempura flour for the dry coating. And let's move to the stove. Enough vegetable oil for frying. We're on medium heat right now. Test if the oil is hot enough by dipping a wooden stick, can be chopstick or anything, and if you see bubbles, then it's good to go. Coat with the tempura flour lightly. Then shake off the excess flour. The clumpy flour will clump up the oil, so we don't want that. Gently place them in the oil. And don't try to move them yet, otherwise the flour will just come off from the chicken skin. You might see some blood coming out from the bones. Don't worry, that's pretty normal, especially the chicken that was frozen or came from the fridge, because there's some blood still in the bone marrow. Okay, I won't go too deep with this. In a nutshell, don't worry about it. And after about a minute, move them a little bit to prevent them sticking to each other. And we're gonna let this side cook for about 4 minutes, or until they turn golden brown. Then flip and reduce to medium-low heat. Cook for another 2-3 minutes or until the color is even. Prepare a strainer. And look at this lovely wing. Remove them from the pan and rest on the paper towel. And then serve. Can be just the wings alone or with the chicken dipping sauce of your choice. Mine is homemade Nam Jim Jaew or Thai spicy dipping sauce, which if you want to see how to make, the link is in the description of this video, along with other recipes you might be interested in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't yet for more Thai and Asian recipes every week. Until next recipes, guys. สวัสดีค่ะ